B. Chris Davies, December 1, 2021, 10:07 a.m. Central Standard Time. Barnes, December 8. The newest Nook takes the core features of the GlowLight 3 and upgrades design, battery life, and charging. So, there's now a USB-C port for recharging the e-reader, replacing the old micro USB port. That's useful, as it makes it far more likely that you'll be able to use your phone charger to top up the Nook. The display is a 6-inch 300 dpi paper screen, with a scratch, glare, and fingerprint-resistant coating. It uses B, which can be set to night mode and automatically adjust the lighting according to the sun's progression through the day. Alternatively, you can control GlowLight manually. Battery life is lengthy too. Barnes, page refresh per minute, and the GlowLight backlighting at just 10%. It also assumes you've turned the wireless off. The simple black casing has been given a soft touch finish for easier holding, while the bezels are significantly larger than, say, those you'd find on the latest Amazon Kindle Paperwhite. Barnes, touching the screen, they also include a pair of physical page turn button sets, one set on each side, so you can navigate through ebooks without having to reach across and swipe the display. As for those ebooks, there's now 32 gigabytes of storage inside, just north of 29 gigabytes of that is available for Nook Store content or side-loaded books. Wi-Fi B program, and is standard too. There's no cellular option, and Nook owners still get free Wi-Fi in Barnes. File types include EPUB, PDF, and Adobe DRM EPUB, PDF, together with JPG, GIF, PNG, and BMP images. It's easy to assume that, at this point, Amazon has the e-reader market all sewn up. After all, Kindle is now a household name, and getting to the Kleenex point of brand ubiquity for e-readers in general. That's an uphill battle for even an established retailer such as Barnes. Still, the continued existence of the Nook line suggests B. Virtual shelves, and the ability to easily sideload your own content is something longtime Nook users still appreciate. Sales of the Nook GlowLight 4 kick off December 8, online and in-store, priced at $149.99, putting it in between the Kindle Paperwhite and the Kindle Paperwhite Signature Edition, while folio cases from $19.99 each. Topics: Barnes & Noble e-reader, must-read bits.